Alright, so we're going to be installing LED bulbs into this RSV4 RF. I'm just going to quickly show you which ones I got. These are from Philips, 8.7 Generation 2 bulbs. I'll put more information in the description below. So let's get to the video. So I know there's a lot of videos already out there, you know, with LEDs installed in bikes, HIDs installed in bikes. Even I did one to my Panigale as well. So this is basically more of fitment issues, if there is any. The Aprilia RSV4 and RF, and I believe the Tuono as well, all of them have a dust cover. It's plastic, it's hard, and you really don't want to drill through it, obviously, and stuff like that. So we're going to make sure that the new LEDs fit here, no problem. And the purpose of this video is just to kind of show you guys that if you get this particular product, is it going to work or is it not going to work? So what I'll do is I have a tape measure as well. I'll measure the original bulb from tip of the bulb to the socket part of it. So basically not just the bulb itself, we're going to actually measure the socket just to see how long it is, because right now obviously the stock bulb fits no problem. And we'll measure the LED one, see if it's the same distance with the cooling fan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out one bulb right now. So I'm not going to go into detail of removing the bulb. It's pretty simple. So we have here the original bulb without being connected, and the length of it right now from the top of the bulb to the connectors, we are looking at roughly 2.5 inches. Okay, that's the plug itself. So I'm going to now just plug it in just to see how much more is it with the plug, just so we have an idea. With the plug connected, we are almost at 3 inches. So the bulb itself with the connector to it is at 3 inches total, almost 3 inches. So it's not quite there. So that's that. So now I'm gonna go grab the new LED bulb and we'll see. All right, so here I have the LED bulb. It's made by Philips. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. It's a Generation 2 LED bulb. And what I'm gonna do first is measure it, make sure it fits the same dimensions. So we know that the original one with the plug itself and the bulb was at 3 inches. This one is exactly the same, identical. Installing these is very, very simple. You undo the fan, the cooling fan first, and in the owner's manual, it will tell you not to touch the fan, so you just don't ruin the operations. Here's the original, here's the LED. Okay. This is an 8.7, this is an 8.7. For older models, just look in your owner's manual just to see what they are. Well, we got both 8.7s, and when it comes to distance like this, identical. So this one this one may look bigger, but with the tip itself, they're identical. Installing this is just reverse. The way this one goes in, it just goes in one way. It has a tab on top, and this one has a tab on top. So we're going to install this one first. I'm going to put this one on the side. And obviously I left tape marks, so I know that in case I move the housing somehow, I know how to adjust the bulb. So right here is what was my top cutoff line, and here was my top cutoff line. So that's how I did it. So I'm going to install this right now. It goes in perfectly. There's no issue at all. And when you get these LED bulbs, I'll put a description in below from Philips. And obviously when you get the owner's manual from when it comes in the box, you open it up, it tells you how the light should be. So the LEDs have, on this particular one, they have an adjuster. You could adjust it up to 90 degrees. So basically, the light has to be perfectly at 0 degrees. Okay, so it has to be shooting the LED going this way and the LEDs going that way. It can't be like this, it can't be like that, just straight up. So another thing what I did is I actually took the assembly, complete light assembly out, so I could show you guys easier what it looks like So here's a shot of it. Hopefully the camera will grab it and we'll be able to see it. And you can see it has numbers in there for adjusting it. And the hardest part is trying to fit the driver inside. I don't think the camera will pick it up. It's in there, right in the corner over there. I had to shove it in. So you're very limited on space. So basically, very easy to put them in, but not so easy to hide the wires and hide the driver. So we have the dust boot, we'll say open on the bottom. There's going to be a little bit wider spots and the other ones are small. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. So on the bottom right here, you got the small, and on top you have the little bit wider one. So you just got to get it in there, turn it, and that's it. You're done. Yeah, and that's it. The installation is done. Is it difficult? No, it's not really difficult, but if you want to make your life a lot easier, I recommend removing the front nose. This will give you more room to work with, as you saw in the video. I'll put a link in the description below for removal of the front nose from a different YouTuber. And I'll also put another description link regarding the adjusting of your LED bulbs directly from Philips. And that's about it. I mean, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll try to do more videos like this. Have a good one. Bye-bye.